Hey ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to be starting a new series about Roblox Studio coding, and I guess general usage, but mostly about coding. So first, when you load in, you'll notice all these tabs up here. I'm going to be focusing on these 6. So first you have your home, where you'll see scaling and game settings options. Here you'll have functions in the models tab made more for building and, configuring stuff in the avatar. It'll be pretty similar, except it will be more for like changing aspects about a character. I don't really use this tab. I don't think you will either, but you might. The test tab, you can go from your desktop computer to a phone, a tablet, or laptop. Uh, I don't think I've used that. You can mute the audio. You can, you know, you can do a lot of stuff. Here in the view tab, this you'll want to make sure you have your Explorer open, your properties, the toolbox, and the command bar open. You're probably not really going to use the toolbox in my tutorials, but it's best to have it open just in case. And here in the plugins tab, which is kind of why I have you open the toolbox, you can go to plugins here, and up here there's a bunch of, you can download a bunch of stuff here, like tool grip editors or stuff to help you make GUI, organize players' save data, load people's characters, stuff that might not always be, has more specific use cases that Roblox didn't really think to add in. So printing, that's what we're talking about this tutorial. So printing is in the output tab here, a little message will pop up, and I think the best way for you guys to know exactly what I'm talking about is just to do it. So you're going to want to press the plus by server script service and insert a script. You want to type in script, insert a script. Don't worry about local script or module script. We'll talk about that later. And basically you'll see this as the first line of code here. You've created a script, and here it is. Print hello world. Which basically means this is the message that will pop up in the output here. So if you want to navigate between the game and the script, you just go here. And when you have a script open, you'll notice you have a 7th tab. Now it has a lot of the stuff that, a lot of the stuff that the other tabs already have, but it also includes this, and you can toggle comments and stuff. But with debug errors, I'd say either on never or on all exceptions if you ever find an error in your code. So you want to navigate back to home and press this play button right here, and you'll see a little message pop up here. Hello world. So let me make sure you guys have this in your brain. You type in print and then parentheses, and it auto completes the second one for you, and quotations, and then your message, hello me. Now, one thing to say is this only pops up for the developer, people that have access to the studio and stuff. So no players will see this, just you. And let's say you wanted to know what 45 times 745 is, you can just do a print command with that in there, and well, what do you know, it's 33,525. Yeah, that's pretty much all. So I'll just talk about where you might actually use print. I think I didn't talk about that already, but you can use it for debugging. Like, let's say you had some code for when the player joins right here, and like to say run this code when the player joins, and you wanted to give them a tool when they joined if they had like a game pass, and you want every time to make sure it's working, you put a print function on after every like important line of code, so that you would know, well, at what point did your code go wrong, if it ever does. So let's say when the player gets the player when they join, they checks if they have a game pass, then clones an item, gives them it. I don't know what this would do, but it prints every time. And let's say it doesn't print after it checks the game pass. So you know that something went wrong in this line of code, and you have to fix it. That's pretty much all. See you guys later.